The most difficult and problematic process of installing a gas pipeline is the combination of fittings. We have developed the world's first one-touch fitting, which is a surprising breakthrough that makes the combination of fittings easy, even for the visually impaired, and we would like to introduce this. The one-touch fitting is a metal sealing method without a gasket, so the sealing part is built in and assembled together, so there is no risk of losing the part. Also, it is a perfect and simple fitting without the risk of leakage caused by incomplete installation. The one-touch fitting is certified by ANSI in the United States, CSA in Canada, and BSEN in the UK standards, and it is also a product of new technology, with international patents in 25 countries, including USA. The one-touch fitting is a one-touch type in which CSST is inserted into the integral fitting. Then the fitting operation is completed when the nut is tightened. Anyone can thus easily install the pipeline system. The one-touch fitting will greatly reduce the time required to install the pipeline system and completely eliminate the risk of leakage due to incomplete installation. We are going to inform you of the order in which the one-touch fitting is to be assembled. Using a stainless steel tube cutter, cut the CSST to the desired length by rotating the cutter 360 degrees and tightening the cutter handle knob by 1/4 turn after each rotation until the CSST has been severed clean. Do not bend the CSST left or right, nor twist it by force in an attempt to cut it off clean if it isn't cut perfectly. If cut by bending or twisting, it will leave large burrs, which will cause damage to the surface of the CSST's end. The incomplete cutting inhibits the perfect CSST insertion into the nut and will be the reason of a leak through the damaged surface inevitably. Strip the jacket back 4 valleys from the end of the CSST with a utility knife. After applying the sealant to the pre-assembled tapered mailed thread, use a crescent wrench to connect and tighten the one-touch fitting to the piping system with the usual piping tightening torque without scratching the yellow warning label. With the jacket trim, insert the CSST to the flange hole of the nut until there's a click sound as the proper insertion signal. If the CSST does not come out when you pull on it, it means it's been inserted properly. If the CSST gets pulled out, insert the CSST again while rotating it. After making sure the CSST's been inserted properly, use a crescent wrench to rotate and tighten the nut with the adhered yellow warning label clockwise beyond the recommended torque value below. The warning label should come off automatically, and that marks the end of the one-touch fitting procedure. Remove the damaged label after installation. If a leak is detected when testing for leaks after the installation of the whole gas pipeline, or if the leak is caused by an external shock to the fitting while in use, or by changing the location of the pipeline after the gas pipeline installation, simply tighten the nut with higher torque will solve the leak. No need to disassemble the one-touch fitting or replace it with a new one. If a leak occurs even after retightening the nut with higher torque as instructed, then the CSST was improperly cut in the first place, and the rugged cut has caused the leaking. In this case, dismantle the previously assembled fittings and remove the 2 incorrectly cut damaged valleys before reassembling according to the guide for fitting assembly. The fitting can be reassembled manually after disassembling, in the manner described above. Thank you.